Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about two of the biggest players in the computer processor market, Intel and AMD's Ryzen. Intel has long been the dominant player in the processor market, with its popular Intel Core series of processors found in millions of PCs and laptops around the world. But in recent years, AMD's Ryzen processors have been giving Intel a run for its money. With its high performance and competitive pricing, Ryzen has become a popular choice for gamers, content creators, and power users. So, what sets these two processors apart? When it comes to raw performance, both Intel and Ryzen offer solid options, with Intel offering higher clock speeds and better single-thread performance, while Ryzen offers more cores and threads, making it a better choice for multi-threaded tasks. On the other hand, when it comes to pricing, Ryzen has a distinct advantage, with its processors often costing significantly less than comparable Intel processors. Ultimately, the choice between Intel and Ryzen will come down to your specific needs and budget. Both companies offer high-quality products, so it's worth doing your research and comparing the specs of each processor to see which one is the best fit for you. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews.